Trading has really been about the same for 2,000 years, but the workflow has fundamentally changed, and also the speeds have gotten much faster. Our industry is moving very quickly to be completely and highly automated. What I do is help traders get a lot more efficient trading, and nowadays, because the markets are moving so quickly and they're so interconnected and global, that means heavy use of computers and quantitative finance. As I grew up, my father kept talking about three people: John Rockefeller, Onassis, of course, and also DuPont. And the link that I always had in my mind was these companies and these people really grew through technology, especially Onassis, who really leveraged technology a lot to build, much larger ships, and also figuring out how to finance these ships. I went through college with only one idea, and that it was to come to Wall Street, but also work for entrepreneurs. So that led me to some very, very exciting and successful companies. I'm well known for starting an initiative called the FIX protocol. The FIX stands for Financial Information Exchange. When I had started it, the problem was people communicating with each other. And that's not just investors with their brokers, but also brokers with exchanges and other places. So by building one common language that everybody can agree upon and grow, this made it very easy to create all sorts of new ways to communicate and talk to each other through networks that were also rapidly evolving at the time. And that's why we see algorithmic trading and quantitative finance. Very high volumes, very interesting problems in our space. I've started myself individually 4 companies. This actually is my 5th. What I like most about my work is really helping people get better at what they do. Really looking at the workflows, but also working with people together to come up with new innovations, to really come up with breakthroughs in processing. As long as I can create an environment where people can be creative and really become the best they can be, this is where the best innovations happen. I hope that Greece understands that the large companies aren't going to be doing a lot of the hiring. I think it's very tough for them. But it's the small entrepreneurial and growing companies are going to be doing all the hiring. And so for that case, entrepreneurs really do need capital to grow. These loans are typically much smaller loans. So if Greece can develop some kind of a high-yield bond market for smaller loans, or a small cap stock market, I think that would really help entrepreneurship really take hold, and along with that, a lot of hiring and a lot of growth.